on live. You are live. Okay, the middle ads is you need to go to live. Now, we will click the live, the title. You need to click the title. Pastilan dolor. See? See the title? What is the title? My live now is Chika Tayo Saglit Lang. So, I need to click this title. Now, this is the result. Pakita natin kung anong lalabas. Ngayon, ayan. This is the result. Now, we need to click the sign dollar. Sir Oppo, sign dollar, dollar sign. O, diba? Now, in dollar sign, kita ba? Para ma-review din ninyo ba? Para magkaroon kayo ng ads sa gitna. O, diba? Para magkaroon kayo ng ads sa gitna. Si Kuya Jewel, walang ads sa gitna. Kuya Jewel at saka si Kuya Willie. Ayan. Pag nakita nyo yan, pag na-click nyo yung dollar sign, meron ditong hanapin yung schedule sa baba. Merong schedule. There is schedule here, schedule. The name is schedule. You must click the schedule and there is, what you call this one? Estimated frequency every 18 minutes. You need to choose. There is 6 minutes, 12 minutes, 18 minutes, 24 minutes, and 30 minutes. So, ibig sabihin, kung anong piliin mo ito, every 6 minutes, magkaroon sila ng ads habang nanood. While they are watching, there is ads. So, for me, I choose 18. 18 minutes, then, we need to check the box. There is box here, 18 minutes. There is box. It's shown, dalang ha, show ads to viewers. Show ad, ayan. You need to check the schedule. You need to check the schedule and the show ads box. Then, after this one, if you choose the time, 6 minutes, ano pa yun? 12 minutes, 18 minutes, 25 minutes, or 30 minutes, you need to choose one only. There is arrow. See, I will show you how to choose. See, this is the box. There is arrow here, small. See this one? You need to press, then the result is like this. You need to choose. Then you need to check box. Okay, now, and then you need, if you finish all here, you need to save. There is save here up in the right side. You need to save, and then when you are in live streaming, automatically there is ads. If you put in 6 minutes, every 6 minutes there is ads. But someone told me you need to put only 18 minutes. Okay. Now I'm in 18 minutes. When you are watching, you can have ads. Pasensya na yan sa mga English ha, hindi ako sa English, pero ini-explain ko lang kasi si Sir Oppo. 2 beses o 3 beses ako nagpunta doon, nakapasok ako. Ewan ko lang kung nasit niya o hindi, basta hindi ako naharangan. So baka nasit din niya tapos hindi lang nagharang sa cellphone ko. So ang sa akin lang naman, sayang ba yung mga hindi pa, marami ako napasukan na ganun. Hindi nila alam kung paano mag-sit ng harang sa gitna. Sa gitna ba? Yung sa madali lang siya. Itong sa pagpasok mo talaga, madali lang. Kung sa pa sa pintuan na mayroon ng harang, madali lang siya isit. Kasi lalo na sa mga direct live. Meron pa pala akong nakalimutan. Meron pa pala akong nakalimutan, no? Kasi dapat, pag on mo sa, if you are here in the dollar sign, first, you choose dollar sign, then you need to on the monetization here up. Before you go down, Sir Oppo, there is monetization here. You need to put on, right? I know you put already because you have already ads. You need to put on. And then after that, here, the middle. See? Ganon. So, sa mga hindi pa, sa wala pang mga harang dyan sa gitna, ganon lang gagawin ninyo. So, sundan yung video or anuhin nyo, na i-review nyo na lang, no?